this time on K6UDA radio. This one comes from BridgeCom, the AnyTone 878 with, it's a DMR radio with built-in GPS. Let's take a look here. Black and white stickers. Very, very cool. Read this first. Plug your radio in to the Windows computer without installing a driver. Nice big operating manual, and it looks like it's pretty much all in English. Yep, this is all in English. So there's a lot of information in there. Then we get to the radio. Throw that away. We don't need that. Okay, this is a nice solid feel radio here. I'm really impressed. I'm always impressed with the build quality of the DMR radios, you know, because they're modeled after commercial radios, so they always have a really good feel in the hand. This one's no different. That looks like the plug-in plugs into the side of the radio somewhere. Little hand strap, belt clip, a 1 into 2 USB port. That's kind of an interesting thing. Let's pop that out. Two mini USB ports into one USB dongle, charger, drop-in charger, stock antenna, a remote PTT. Oh, this is the Bluetooth. Very, very cool. Looks like a wrist strap, handlebar strap, so you could plug this onto the steering wheel or the handlebars of your bike and operate it like that. And that is it, except for the battery. Nice big beefy battery here. This is a 7.4 3100 milliamp battery. Not bad. Thank you, BridgeCom.